A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, this one is your computer period. Now today we are going to revise chapter number 2, question and answers, how the dog found himself. Dear students, good morning. So all of you who have not completed their work, through this video they can watch the answers, whatever the answers I'm telling you, you can write in your notebooks because all of you know that your examination are start very soon. So you have to write the answers of the question. So write down in your notebook, English notebook. Just check it out once again. If you have not done it in your copies, you have to do it. These are the textbook question and answers. Let us start the question and answers of chapter number 2. How the dog found himself. How the dog found himself a new master. So students, these are the long question and answers. First question, why did the dog feel the need for a master? Students, after the question there are some numbers written in the back side of the question. In first question it's written 1 comma 2. What does it mean? Did you know the meaning of this one? I believe some of you students know the meaning of this one. The students, those who don't know the meaning of this one, I tell you, the question is, why did the dog feel the need for a master? If you are going to find out the answer of this question, you can check the paragraph number 1 and 2. At last of this question, the two numbers are written 1 comma 2. It means you have to find out answer of this question in paragraph 1 and 2, right? So this one is the meaning of this initial. So students, now let us learn about the question and answer. You all of you have to revise the question and answers and write down in your notebooks. And if you have not done, if you have done, you have to revise it again and again so that you can write the answers at the time of examination. Right, let's start. Question number 1, why did the dog feel the need for a master? डॉग को क्यों महसूस हुआ? वाई डॉग फील दैट ही नीड अ मास्टर, फॉर अ मास्टर, कि उसको भी एक मालिक चाहिए? आंसर, द डॉग वॉज सिक. कुत्ता जो डॉग है वो बीमार हो चुका था एंड टायर्ड, बहुत थक गया था, ऑफ गोइंग अबाउट अलोन इन सर्च ऑफ फूड, खाने की खोज में. एंड ही डिड नॉट फील सेफ, और उसे सुरक्षित भी महसूस नहीं हो रहा था क्योंकि वो बहुत बीमार था. सो ही डिसाइडेड टू हैव अ मास्टर. इसीलिए उसने डिसाइड किया कि उसका भी एक मालिक होना चाहिए जो उसको खाना खिला सके. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु डिड ही फर्स्ट चूज एज हिज मास्टर? वाई डिड ही लीव दैट मास्टर? द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, हु डिड ही फर्स्ट चूज एज हिज मास्टर? डॉग जो ढूंढ रहा था अपने लिए मालिक, उसने सबसे पहले किसको चूज़ किया? वाई डिड ही लीव दैट मास्टर? और उसने फिर बाद में उसे छोड़ क्यों दिया? द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज इन पैराग्राफ नंबर 3. So the answer is, the dog first chose a wolf as his master, but he found the wolf afraid of the bear, so he left the company of the wolf. डॉग ने सबसे पहले वुल्फ को ढूंढा, वुल्फ मीन्स भेड़िया, एज हिज मास्टर, अपना स्वामी के रूप में. बट ही फाउंड, लेकिन जल्दी उसे पता लग गया कि जो भेड़िया है, एफ्रेड ऑफ द बियर, वो भालू से डरता है. सो ही लेफ्ट द कंपनी ऑफ द वुल्फ, तो उसने वुल्फ की कंपनी छोड़ दी, वुल्फ के साथ नहीं रहने लगा वो, उसने उसको छोड़ दिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हु डिड ही चूज नेक्स्ट? उसके बाद उसने किसको चूज़ किया, किसको पसंद किया अपना मास्टर? नेक्स्ट, द डॉग चूज अ बियर एज हिज मास्टर. तो सेकंड टाइम पहले तो पहले जब चूज़ कर लिया था उसके बाद उसने उसको छोड़ दिया. नेक्स्ट द डॉग चूज़ अ बियर. डॉग ने किसको चूज़ किया? बियर को, भालू को, एज इज मास्टर, अपने मालिक के रूप में. बिकॉज ही वॉज स्ट्रोंगर देन द वुल्फ, क्योंकि वो क्या था? भेड़िए से ज़्यादा ताकतवर था. ये इसलिए भी कहा जा सकता है क्योंकि भेड़िए से ज़्यादा ताकतवर था. जब भेड़िए के साथ वो घूम रहा था तो उसने भालू देखा, तो भालू को देख के वो डर के भाग गया. तो इसीलिए डॉग ने सोचा कि अब बियर को ही मैं अपना, भालू को ही अपना मालिक बना लेता हूँ. दिस वन इज द आंसर ऑफ थर्ड क्वेश्चन. एंड द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, वाई डिड ही सर्व द लॉयन फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम? जो डॉग था वो बहुत लंबे समय तक शेर को, शेर का ही नौकर क्यों बना रहा? शेर को ही क्यों मदद करता रहा? शेर के ही आसपास क्यों रहा? द डॉग सर्व द लॉयन फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम. जो डॉग था उसने लॉयन के साथ वो बहुत समय तक रहा. क्यों? बिकॉज ही हैड नो कंप्लेन, क्योंकि उसे कोई शिकायत नहीं थी उसके खिलाफ. सेकेंडली ही फेल्ट सेफ, और दूसरा उसे सुरक्षा भी महसूस होती थी. एंड सिक्योर. नो अदर वाइल्ड एनिमल डेयर टू डिस्प्लेस हिम. कोई भी जानवर उसके नज़दीक नहीं आता था और सब उससे डरते थे. So this one is the answer of question number 4. You can find out the answer of question number 4 answer in fourth paragraph. If you checked out your books, all of you having a books, I believe, so you can check out the answer of this question in chapter in the fourth paragraph. Question number 5. Who did he finally choose as his master and why? आखिरकार लास्ट में और डिड इट फाइनली, तो आखिरकार लास्ट में उसने अपना मालिक किसको चूज़ किया, किसको पसंद किया और क्यों? द डॉग फाइनली चूज़ अ मैन. आखिर में डॉग ने आदमी को ही पसंद किया अपने मालिक के रूप में. इवन द लॉयन वॉज एफ्रेड ऑफ मैन. क्यों? क्योंकि लास्ट में उसने लॉयन को देखा था. लॉयन के पास क्या हुआ? लॉयन जब पहुंचा आदमियों के सामने, सो वो आदमियों से डर गया. सो द डॉग वॉज कन्विंस. तो डॉग को पता लग गया दैट मैन वॉज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट क्रिएचर ऑन द अर्थ. जो आदमी है वो सबसे ज़्यादा ताकतवर है इस पूरी पृथ्वी में. सो ऑल ऑफ यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. So students, what you have to do, you have to learn the question and answers, revise it again and again. Again I am going to repeat the questions. The first question, why did the dog feel the need for a master? Why did the dog feel the need for a master? Answer is, the dog was sick and tired. The dog was sick and tired of going about alone in search of food, as he did not feel safe, so he decided to have a master. Next question, question number 2. Who did he first choose as his master? Why did he leave that master? So the answer is, this one is question number 2. And if you want to go to find out the answer of this question number 2, you can find it out in the paragraph number 3rd of the chapter, the same chapter. You have to count the paragraph from the starting, right? So the answer is, the dog first chose a wolf as his master, but he found the wolf afraid of the bear, so he left the company of the wolf. Okay, students, all of you have to revise the question and answers again and again. I am telling you, because if you are not going to learn the question and answer, you will not be able to write it down in the exam. So it's very necessary to learn the question and answer and write it down in your rough copies. Why I am telling you write it down in your rough copies? Because at the time of examination, sometimes you are writing the answers and it's not be able to understand by the persons whosoever is going to check out your copies. So students, what you need to do is you also have to write it down in your rough notebook, the question and answers of the same chapter, right? So all of you, I want all of you have to do the same work. All of the students whosoever are going in class 6th, right? Again, I am going to repeat the same question. Who did he first choose as his master? Why did he leave that master? The answer is the dog first chose a wolf as his master, but he found the wolf afraid of the bear, so he left the company of the wolf. Then the third question. Who did he choose next? After the after the wolf. Next, the dog chose a bear as his master because he was stronger than the wolf. अगली बार उसने डॉग ने बियर को अपना मालिक बनाने का सोचा. क्यों? क्योंकि बियर जो भालू था वो भेड़िए से ज़्यादा ताकतवर था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? All of you know that in a forest, lion is the strongest. Lion is the strongest. That's why the dog served the lion for a long time because he had no complaint, because he don't have any type of complaint against him, because time to time he is getting the food from the lion, because lion is not going to eat all his flesh, whatever he is going to hunt, right? So secondly he felt safe, and secondly he felt safe and secure. He's feeling that I'm secure and safe because I'm getting time to time food. No other wild animal dare to displace him, and no one is going to displace him, disturbing him, right? So that's why the dogs have learned for a long time. Question number 5. Who did he finally choose as his master and why? Finally, he chose whom as his master. The meaning of this question is finally choose whom he chose as his master and why. The dog finally chose a man as his master because all of you know that because the lion is afraid from the man. That's why the dog finally chose a man as his master. Even the lion was afraid of man. So the dog was convinced. That the man was the strongest creature on earth. Right? So these are the question and answers of the chapter. The student whosoever is not done in your copies, you can note down the question and answer and do it in your copies. And after doing it, if you have done in your fair copies, no need to write it down again. You have to just write it down in your rough copies, and after that send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. All of you having my personal WhatsApp number. My personal WhatsApp number is 9953630979. Student, make sure you have to send me your rough work, because if you're not going to send me the rough work, written work, how would I know that you are going to learn the question and answer? It's not necessary, because we are sending you the videos and we do not get any type of output from your side. How would we know that you are going to learn the question and answer, right? Some of the students are very good. Time to time they are sending the videos and they are sending the work of their copies. So I am very thankful to those students whosoever are going to do their work properly. So students, it's very necessary, because if you're not going to do the same thing, it's very hard for you whenever you are when you are going to do your second unit test or third unit test. You face too much difficulty at that particular time period, because maybe the school get opened and you have to give your exam at school. So it's very hard, right? That's why I am telling you again and again, you have to learn and write the answers in your rough copies, so that At the time of writing, you are learning. That's why I'm telling you, right? So now moving forward to the next question. The next question is our fill in the blanks. A summary of the story is given below. Fill the blanks to complete it. You have to write the answers of the questions. Write the answers of the blanks. The words are given already given to you. A dog stronger than anyone else, the strongest of all, a wolf, the bear, afraid of man, his own master, a lion. So I believe all of you know the meaning of this one. A dog, all of you know that dog, stronger than anyone else, सबसे ज़्यादा ताकतवर औरों की औरों की अपेक्षा, द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट ऑफ ऑल, सबसे ज़्यादा ताकतवर, अ वुल्फ, द बियर, अफ्रेड ऑफ मैन, जो आदमी से डरता हो, हिज ओन मास्टर, अ लायन, अपना खुद का मालिक, शेर. So now I'm going to tell you the answer of this fill in the blanks. You also have to write it down in your rough copies, and no need to write it down in your fair copies. Because why I'm telling you in rough copies, because if you are going to write it down in your rough copies, it happens you are going to learn the same thing in two times, because at the time of writing and one time you are going to learn the things, right? So the fill in the blanks are like this. This is the story of dash. This is the story of a dog. All of you know that this is the story of a dog who used to be who used to be who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master. He decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. First he found a, all of you know that, firstly he found the wolf, a wolf. But the wolf was afraid of, all of you know that, because we have learned the same thing in the question and answer. But the wolf was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was the dog thought that the bear was the strongest of all. After some time, the dog met to whom? A lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day he realized that the lion was afraid. The lion was afraid of man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. So students, we already have done the fill-ups and the question and answer. Those students whosoever not done the question and answers and the fill-up in the fair copies, I request to those students, please note it down in your fair notebooks so that you can learn the question and answers and the fill-ups easily, right? So let us talk about the other exercise. The next exercise, each word in the box given below indicates a large number of words. For example, a herd of cows refers to, the meaning of this one is what? A herd of cow means many cows. Complete each of the following phrase with a suitable word from the box. Whatever the answers are already given in front of you. The words are school, fleet, and brood, bundle, bunch, pack, thick, herd. So you have to do the same one. A dash of ships, a fleet of ships. Question number 2. A dash of flowers, a bunch of flowers, a dash of chicks, a brood of chicks. Fourth point, a dash of cattle, a herd of cattle. Fifth, a dash of sticks, a bundle of sticks. Six, a dash of ship, a flock of sheep, jund. A dash of fish, a school of fish. A dash of wolves, a pack of wolves. So these are the fill-ups which you need to write it down in your copies if you have done. So no need to write it down again. I believe all of you understand that, right? The next one is make nouns from the word given below by adding ness or ly. For some words, we need to add just ty or y. You have to choose that word, but we are going to write it down. So the first word is honest. Honest, honesty. So only y is added over there. Kind, kindness. Cruel, cruelly. Calm, calmness. Sad, sadness. Activity, activity, active का activity. Creative, creativity. Sincere, sincerity. Careful, carefulness. Bitter, bitterness. Sensitive, sensitivity. Great, greatness. So these are the some words. Make noun from the word given below, adding these words, right? So you have to write it down if you have not done it in your copies. So students, what you need to do is you have to practice on that. The next one is read the following passage. You have to read the following passage and do the exercise that follow. The exercise is after this paragraph. The exercise is there. This one is the exercise which you need to do in your rough notebook. The paragraph is like this: the dog family is one of the 11 families that make up the carnivores, a large group of intelligent, flesh eating, backbone animal. In this group are such varied varied animals as bear, pandas, raccoons, cats, hyenas, and even seal. The dog or canine family has many wild species like wolves, foxes, coyotes, jackal, and wild dogs. The dog is the only domesticated member of the canine family. Through now and then, someone tames a wolf, fox, or coyote as a pet. All members of the dog family and descendants of the wolf like animal, which lived about 15 million years ago, from this distant ancestor, the true dogs gradually developed, but nobody knows the exact ancestor of the modern domestic dog. Several wild dogs look and behave like domestic dogs. The dingo and wild dog of Australia is one of these. It is possible that the dingo and the tamed dog brought to Australia long ago, which then ran wild. Dogs were the first animal tamed by human. Perhaps 20,000 years ago, tamed dogs were brought from Australia, from Asia to the New World 5,000 or more years ago. Dogs was first used for hunting, right? Basically means at the time of ancient, what they are going to do, they are using the dogs for hunting. So you have to find out the opposite of these words. Find the opposite of these words in the text above. Ancestor. Ancestor means dissident. You have to complete the second word. Wild means tame. Wild tame. Ancient. Modern. Opposite modern. Near. Distance. Suddenly. Gradually. So these are the opposite words which you need to memorize it, right? So the next question, complete the following sentence. You have to complete the sentences which are already given for you. The dingo is dash. Dogs were the dash. Animals tamed by humans. The other animals tamed by humans are dash. Think and name some such other such animals. Third one, the new world refers to. Dog were brought there from. The answer. Right, the answer. The dingo is a wild dog. We already learned that in the paragraph. The dingo is a wild dog. Dog were the first animal tamed by humans. The other animals tamed by humans are horse, elephant, cows, donkey, buffaloes. Dog were the first animal tamed by humans. The other animals tamed by humans are horse, elephant, cows, donkeys, buffalo. The new world referred to America. The new world referred to America. The last one, dog were brought there from Asia. We already learned that one. So student, these are some questions, fill ups and complete the sentences. Opposite, you have to no need to note it down in your copies. You have to learn these question and answers and the fill ups and the complete the sentences and the opposites, because maybe one of them because maybe one of them is coming in your exam, so it's very necessary to learn the things. Okay students, so till then, thank you, have a nice day. And one more information, sorry students, you have, after writing it in your rough copies, you have to send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. It's very necessary. Only those students whosoever is going to send me the work of your revision work in a rough copy, I give marks to only those students. Please give me your work in a rough copy in my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you students, have a nice day and take care yourself. Thank you.